Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a winter look using the Morphe 35V palette. I already have a review and another tutorial of this palette on my channel, so I'll link those somewhere. And here is the palette. And we will get right into the tutorial. So I've already applied concealer and set that with a light eyeshadow shade. And now I'm going to take the shade Scandal as my transition. Next, I'm going to take the shade Swipe Right and put that on the inner portion of the lid using my finger. Next, I'm going to take the shade Rendezvous or Rendezvous, I'm not sure how to say it, but anyways, I'm going to use that on my finger and put that on the middle part of the lid. Next, I'm taking my other finger with a little bit of the excess of the shade Swipe Right, and I'm going to kind of blend the two colors together. Those two shades layered on top of each other are really cool, and I'm going to add a little bit more of that blue to the very outer corner. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Fling to blend into the crease. I'm going to add a little bit more of Fling. I'm not the biggest fan of the matte blues in this palette, but that is why I'm not using a whole lot of that shade. And now I'm going to take the original brush that I used for the transition shade to blend. I added a little bit more of Fling to the outer corner and crease, so now you may want to reapply your shimmers as they may have kind of faded a little bit from all the blending. I'm going to apply just a little bit of the shade Hit It Off into crease just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. And of course blend again. For the inner corner, I'm taking the shade Knockout. I am taking the shade Fling for the lower lash line. And the last step is to apply mascara. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I usually struggle a little bit with blues, but I really like this look. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments down below what other kind of eye looks you would like to see, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!